Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Boston Fieldstar dual pump 12 volt car wash plus AC kit. This is a car washing kit for your car. This operates primarily in a car because it comes with a 12 volt cigarette lighter. This also comes with an AC kit, and I'll tell you what the different specifications are. Comes with 220 AC adapter, a brass gun, 20 feet outlet pipe, car adapter and 6 feet inlet pipe. You can see what the double pump looks like. There's an image over here. It also says portable sprayer for car and bike wash, AC cleaning and also gardening as well. There's some images over here for the same. You can see it's for bike wash, car wash, gardening and AC cleaning the grid at the back of the AC specifically. And yeah, there you go. It also says product. There are two products basically. Product one is the portable washer. Pressure is 140 psi, and yeah, that's about it. Product 2 is the product 2, also called the portable washer. Okay, model number is SLDP16. Pressure is also 140 psi. Now I will open this box and show you what's inside. So there are many components in this box. We will go through each of them one by one. Let's go. So first up, we have the user manual for the Fieldstar Agro dual pump. So that's the name of this product, by the Fieldstar Agro, and it's a 12 volt car wash plus AC kit. This is the user manual. It basically tells you how to use this device. You connect the inlet pipe, connect the outlet pipe, connect this connector with a spray gun. To supply the power to the pump, use car charging line to connect to the car, etc. Everything that you want to know is given right over here. And yeah, moving on. There's some peripherals here as well, basically a bunch of washers and bolts. So this will make sure that when you attach the pipes to the different components, they remain tight. Okay, so this is the AC adapter for this particular washer. There you go. This is the AC adapter that comes with this particular box. I'll keep this aside as well. We have two stands here. I will find out what these stands are for. These looks like levers. This is basically the inlet pipe. Notice that this is a filter through which the water will travel through. This is the brass gun that you will be using to spray water. Let me just remove this part. A lot of packing material within this particular box. There you go. This is the brass gun. This is the one I'll be using to spray water through this nozzle over here. See this? There you go. And this is a 20 feet outlet pipe, by the way. This is completely packed. I'm not going to open this because then I won't be able to show all 20 feet of it. Okay, by the way, the inlet pipe, this one is also pretty long. This is almost 6 feet long inlet pipe. This is Boston Cool Wash. This is basically a cleaning solution for your car and your car, bike or AC. So you can mix. So this is the fluid you'll be using to generate lather and foam when you're cleaning your car or bike or your AC. And finally we have this is the pump. This is basically the double pump, the 12 volt double pump. And there you go. This is what the Fieldstar Agro 12 volt dual pump looks like. The model number is SLDP16. Pressure is 140 psi, open flow 7 to 9 lpm, volts 12 VDC as mentioned earlier. And yeah, so there are a lot of things going on here. This is a this is not the heaviest but still pretty heavy water pump, and as I mentioned, this is a 12 volt water pump. This can be mounted to a wall. As you can see, there's some grooves here. You can mount this to a wall if you have the screws. And let's quickly see which is the inlet area. So yeah, this is where you connect your inlet pipe. This one basically. This will go. Yeah, so this one will go in over here, the inlet pipe, and the outlet pipe, which is this big one, this will go over here, and the sprayer will attach to the outlet pipe after that. For connecting, you can connect through this. So we basically have two adapters. This is your power adapter for when you're using this at home. We also have a adapter for the car. There you go. This is your 12 volt cigarette lighter for your car. So this particular device can be used both in a car and inside your home. And this is it. And there you go. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Boston Fieldstar Agro dual pump 12 volt car wash plus AC kit. Thank you for watching.